Hello and welcome to week 3. I see you are definitely following the weekly routine because you've made it to the week 3 overview and I bet you're ready to get your 2 bonus points. Well, let's take a quick look at what to expect for week 3 and then I will show you the secret problems that you are going to solve to earn your 2 bonus points. So during week 3, we have a new type of discussion board. So you'll notice there's a discussion board called Extend Your Learning. For the first 2 weeks, we did a student introduction discussion board, and then during week 2, you did another discussion board on where you watched a video called How to Learn Math. So those were more like study skills, strategies types of discussion boards. For this discussion board this week, you're actually going to be digging into a mathematical concept and posting your response in the discussion board. So what I want to show you is down here in the list of assignments for week 3, you'll see the assignment for Extend Your Learning. If you click on that assignment, you'll notice it brings you to another discussion board. And here is your task. So you're looking at 2 people who are playing a game called Guess My Numbers, and it refers to the concept of greatest common factor and least common multiple, which is something that we're learning this week. So your task is to decide if Jane is correct. If you agree with Jane, you want to explain how you agree with her, but if you disagree with her, you also want to explain why you disagree and find all the other possible numbers that Henry might be thinking of. Remember, the goal is not just to present the correct answer, but to communicate your problem-solving thought process effectively so your classmates can also learn from your approach. So as you read through the discussion board, here are the guidelines that you want to present in your discussion post. And then there's 3 ways for you to upload your work in the discussion board. You can use the Canvas equation editor, you can embed a photo of your written work, or you can use a screen recording feature of your iPad. Now, guess what? The student's post who receives the most likes will be highlighted in an upcoming announcement. So I really can't wait to see all the different unique posts from all of my students and all the different ways that we could possibly approach this problem. If you're wondering about these 3 methods, about how to upload or how to present your work, I want to remind you that in the modules, I have some really helpful iPad tutorial videos for you to look at. So if you look under iPad tutorials and how-to videos, if you click on iPad tutorials, we have several playlists here for you to learn how to do all these amazing things on your iPad. The ones that you'll most probably become comfortable with and find useful are the Notability videos. You can learn how to do all kinds of things, take notes, show your work, save your work as a PDF. So you could be solving the problems using your Apple Pencil and then uploading it to the discussion boards. I use Notability all the time and it's amazing. So I really recommend you go through the playlists for the Notability. They're quick videos to watch, but you'll learn a whole lot of information and you'll become more confident and comfortable using your iPad. There's also other videos from the Thunderbird Tech Studio and also one that I put up here for how to use split screen. But like I said, just explore these how-to videos because it'll really help you dig in and feel more confident and comfortable using your iPad. All right, let's go back to that week 3 overview. Okay, here we are. All right, so like I said, I wanted to draw your attention to the new type of discussion board this week, which is the Extend Your Learning. But now let's talk about how we're going to get our bonus points for this week. So as soon as you're done watching this current video, you're going to open up this second video, and the instructor in this video is giving you 2 different methods for solving division equations where there is a remainder. When the numbers are small enough, you can do a visual aid. You can see here in the thumbnail of the video how she does a visual aid and groups numbers according to the divisor. But then when the numbers get larger, you can show that she also displays with you how to do it on a calculator. For the questions that I'm about to give you to solve for your 2 bonus points, you shouldn't need a calculator because I kept the numbers friendly enough for you where you wouldn't need to use a calculator. So you can show your work by using the copies of language or by drawing out a visual aid and by circling numbers in groups that are sizes the same as the divisor. So you can kind of decide which method you want to use to display your work to earn your 2 bonus points. All right, so here it is, the moment we've all been waiting for. I know you want to see your secret question. So let me bring it over here for you. Okay, and here we go. So you can see there are 4 division problems. You're going to copy each problem on your paper or on your iPad screen, wherever it is that you're showing your work. And then you're going to show your work by including either a visual model as seen in the video or show your steps for long division. Then you're going to write the equivalent division equation and include the quotient and the remainder. And then also write the equivalent multiplication equation. And that is your way of checking your work. So let's go over the steps again. Copy each division problem, show your work by including either a visual model or show your steps for long division, write the equivalent division equation and include the quotient and the remainder, and then finally step 4, write the equivalent multiplication equation. So right now you can either take a screenshot of these 4 problems or you can pause the video so you can get the 4 problems in your notes and then go ahead and solve them. And I look forward to seeing your uploaded responses in the week 3 discussion board for your 2 bonus points.